Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Now, like be play and read the target, like be many of people asking me about this game, and you will be making video because I will be totally helping to you and how to be complete to be these games meters because some of people's request to me. So today I will be completely guide to you and how to be complete to be these games meters. So guys, you will be easily to complete to be 1000x to catch. So guys, this is the all about this everything easily depend on your mind how to be playing this game, and they all of everything more easily know only watching my video completely. And please request to be end of watching this video and request to lots of like and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be more helping to you every time every day. So I hope you will be never skipping now. So let's start this video. And okay guys, eggs catcher game. So they all of everything more easily now only explain you something about this game because many of people sometimes not to be telling to you about this game and how to be complete to this game because I will be music be like be closing now. So they all of everything more easily now just to be only you will be complete watching this video, they everything more easily now. Okay guys, and before here we also to be watching x3 add the video available now because sometime not to be asking you people's like be here we also to be available like the x3 add the watch the video, and just only one of the watch the video then you will be earned like be triple screens because I need to be eggs the games like be depending on the purchasing. And just of all first of all when you will be starting this game and just to be only saving your coins and to be complete to be these games because this is the all about this is the more easily now not to be anything hard just to be watching now. I will be totally helping to you how to be complete to be these games. Okay, okay, you will be checking out 20 years like the I I and I will be purchasing one of the 1 second eggs. Okay guys, this is the options like the not to be important just to be only like the 10 eggs you will be purchasing only 10 eggs not to be so much because like the my target this is the only because I want to be 1000. So guys, they all of everything easily no not to be anything hard just to be only uh, catching eggs and saving your coins and purchasing them before this game. Okay, so before because they all of everything is not to be anything hard just to be watching a video because totally helping to you and just to be saving your coins, and you will be starting this game. And first of all when you will be 50 eggs you will be purchasing now, so be slowly saving your coins and before you will be watching x3 at the video because they asking me some of people I can't receiving like the ads options. So guys, sometime available sometime not to be available because depend on your luck you will be receiving your ads or not because just only for people's I will be this making video because I'm not long time I will be just only one of the video making now about this game, but today I will be try to be completely making for you video and will be teach to you how to complete to be 1000 catch your eggs because this is the everything more easily now and all about I will be explain you. So you will be checking now 120 I will be purchasing 30 more eggs, so just to be saving your coins and before purchasing your eggs. So this is the typical tricks and not to be so much anything I will be show you just only asking to you saving your coins and to purchasing like the eggs catcher and then to be playing this game and easily to complete to be your game, but you will be never skipping x3 at the why the video, because this is the more important for you. And I will be catching one of the vegetables, so they give I will lost my game. So but the all of everything easily, not to be anything hard, just only you will be capture this game. And just to be little only explain you something about this more game. So guys, you will be never skipping this video, and I hope you will be understand now. So thank you, lots of love you guys. You will be watching my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.